Hello friends, today I will teach you how to transfer your domain from GoDaddy to Dynadot.com. So first of all, open your GoDaddy website and click on domain. Here is my domain setting. Then you can go to privacy setting and turn off this privacy setting. I already turned off this, so there is a button show privacy turn on. So I'm already turned off this. Then go to further down, and here is the option is domain log. Right now this is off, and in your case this is on. So just click on the edit button, and here is the option is turn in and turn off. So you can turn off this. Now go to here, transfer domain away from GoDaddy or transfer domain to another GoDaddy account. So I want to transfer my domain from GoDaddy to Dynadot.com. So click on this. Here is the domain transfer out. Here is some information about you may not need to transfer. So something is there. So you can read all these things. And the last point is we email your confirmation when your transfer complete using usually not more than 5 to 7. Just read out all this point. Make sure your administrative contact email is current. Verify the new registrar will set up the DNS zone file. If not, don't do this. Your website and email could go down. Start the domain transfer at your registrar. All the things is there. So before this, you can go to your Dynadot.com and click on transfer, and here is the page is open, and go to the GoDaddy website and go back and copy your domain name and just paste here, and then go to transfer domain away from the GoDaddy, and just I want a code. The code is the authorization code, which is helpful for transfer domain from one registrar to another. So for this you can just click on continue with transfer, but remember your email and all these things is correct. Otherwise there is some problem you can face. So just click on continue with transfer, and you can check this domain transfer checklist. Your domain is unlocked and ready to transfer. We are already unlocked the domain. Click see the authorization code. So just click on this. We also send an authorization code to your administrative email address, this one, and use the authorization code at new registrar to complete your transfer. If need help, you can transfer, then just click on this, and here is my authorization code, and I will paste this code here and click on transfer. Then domain is add to my cart. You can click on this, and before this you can go to my domain, and there is the work which we can do with the GoDaddy website. Now the GoDaddy website work is completed. Go to Dynadot.com, and here is my reason is transferred my domain from GoDaddy to Dynadot, because GoDaddy renewal fees is very expensive. It's something is 1200, 300, 1300, 1500, and GoDaddy also not provide the domain privacy. So this is free in Dynadot.com, absolutely free. So I will transfer my domain, and the main reason is the cost is only 800 per year. So this is the best price. So just check out, and you can pay the rest amount. Either you can pay with credit card, or you can go to your UPI option. So this is the way to transfer your domain from GoDaddy to Dynadot. And after this it will take 5 to 7 days. After this your domain is transferred to dynadot.com. And sometimes the name server is not updated, so you after transfer please check your name server is corrected or not corrected. If not transfer your name server, then copy paste your server your hosting server name server to Dynadot website. So this is the whole procedure of how to transfer your domain from GoDaddy to Dynadot website. Hope so you like this video. So if you like this video, then you can comment or like my channel. Thank you.